So needless to say, it rained last night, and my baby's tents have been blown away. Blown away.
Hi, this is Stephanie Lee Styles, Stephanie Arnold Williams, however you want to say it. I need help. My tents blew away. So please help. I gotta buy new tents. I don't know what to do. They're broken, the poles are broken, they're not repairable. Please help. As you can see, Mother Nature tore down my tents. And I need help. I need emergency help right away. I don't have a house to live in tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but the wind came and they took and blew my whole tent away. Please help. I'm in a crisis. They all blew down. One big woof, and they just took off, and they're all torn up. That pole is bent all the way. I don't know if it's repairable. This pole is bent. This one over here got a big hole in it. I got a hole. This one looks salvageable. I don't see any broken poles. Yeah, come and show you. They're done.
Oh.
And then that one's bent. So here's my mirror. It broke my mirror. This is all I wanted. I don't care about no tent. These mirrors are hard to find. It broke the pole right here.
And you say all that's from the wind?
The wind, one big wind came and took it. I'm ordering me a tent tonight.
Oh.
I'm gonna order one. I don't know how I'm gonna pay for it. I'm gonna need some help. I'm gonna be on there doing a fundraiser. Y'all help! I need help. Please help. But if you directly put some money into my inbox, then I can go rent a tent. One strong like that one. So my plan is to rent a tent, strong like that one. In the meantime, I'm trying to go live, but it won't even let me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. The whole wind just came and took it.